cleanse with this honey foaming facial wash. This luxurious foaming facial wash will deeply cleanse into your pores without stripping away the protective oils. The natural properties of honey add to its antibacterial action, and when combined with jojoba oil will leave your skin feeling clean and moisturised at the same time. To start making the honey foaming cleansing wash, you need to get yourself 200 ml of distilled water. Now, if you don't have distilled water, just boil a kettle, pour out your 200 ml and let it cool down. So you add that into the bowl. Water is the main ingredient in this wash because if we want foaming bubbles, we need to have a lot of water. So next into our wash will be our, I've got Manuka honey here, but you can use any raw honey. We want it raw because we want the antibacterial actions that's going to help aid our facial wash and keep our skins nice and clean. So we're going to add that in. Try to let that dissolve into the water first. You can kind of be quite rough with it at this point, but when we add in the soap, that's when we have to be really gentle because it starts to make a lot of bubbles. Okay, so that's nearly dissolved now. So we want this foaming wash to be quite moisturising as well. So what excellent ingredient then to add in some jojoba oil. Now jojoba oil is a lot like our skin's natural oil, so it won't clog your pores. So even if you've got acne prone skin, I wouldn't worry. So we want about a tablespoon of the oil, which is about 4 of these. So next we need our emulsifier. I'm going to use Castile soap, which is a vegetable-based soap derived from water, lye and olive oil. You don't have to use this soap, you can use any liquid soap that you're comfortable with using. So just to recap then, we've got 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 200 ml of distilled water, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and then 2 tablespoons of our emulsifier, Castile soap, liquid soap. So it doesn't take much mixing. So once you notice all the water and oil, you can't differentiate the difference. It just looks like, one all mixed up. You can add it to your bottle. So here we have our bottle. Now the importance of making a foaming wash is that you need to have a foaming top. And then using the funnel then, just pour in your mixture very slowly. And that's that. So that will last you a good 2 weeks. You can use it for the whole body and the face. And that's how easy it is to make a honey foaming wash. It leaves your skin feeling so soft and it's completely natural.